there is a 15 not deposit bonus or welcome bonus offered by this broker, guys, and I have 3 types of information I'm going to give you right here on the video. And the first information is going to be on how to register and receive your 50 welcome bonus, and the second information is the withdrawal terms and conditions that I'm just going to give you in less than 2 minutes. And then the last information is going to be the regulatory of the broker. Can we trust the broker? Can we register? And all sorts of information, because I don't want to hide anything from you guys. For me, I'm just gonna give you the information that is at hand right now. As you can see, open a real trading account here on Kaji Forex, get a 50 welcome bonus, take the advantage of trading with a lot size, with the leverage of 1 to 400. And the first rule is how to apply. And number 1 is register a new account. The bonus is only available for new clients. That's number 2. And also number 3 is verify your identity and address as usual, guys. And request for a 50 welcome bonus and no deposit is required. That's point number 4. And also point number 5, they say a 50 bonus will be deposited to your Forex trading account. That means that after you have verified your account, then they will give you that $50 no deposit bonus straight into your trading account. Then you can trade from just there. And let's just go straight to the withdrawal conditions here. We have only 6 terms and 6 conditions that should be met here. And they are saying here the withdrawal, number 1, we need to trade at least 1 standard lot on Forex instruments, and your profit should be up to 100. So they should not be less than that. So what I mean here, number 1, you have to trade a standard lot, only trading instruments on Forex, not futures. Not futures, not indices, and probably not crypto. So they are only asking for Forex instruments. And on your first withdrawal, a 50 bonus will be deducted from your account. So after you withdraw your profit, that 50 initial no deposit bonus that was available on your account will be deducted because you have made your profit. So in order for you to to process a withdrawal, that's number 4, the client should verify the KYC. They know your client area and his bank with a 50 wire transfer. Can you read that? In order to process a withdrawal, the client should verify a KYC and his bank account with a 50 wire transfer. What they're asking here, they're asking for a 50 wire transfer deposit after you have made your profit. And number 5, they say you can withdraw the maximum of 500 from your bonus account. But before we go further, guys, give this video a thumb up and let's continue. The bonus will be cancelled after any withdrawal, and this is obviously on all the brokers. They use the terms that the bonus will be cancelled after the withdrawal. This is how to register, guys. I'm not gonna fill my information because there's something you know already, and I'm just going to read for you and look for you the regulatory information of this broker. Is this broker legit? Is it regulated? Can you trust this broker with your own money? Or what will be your decision after I'm going to review this broker in just a minute, guys. And let's also subscribe to this channel if you like this type of bonuses and know the post bonuses. Then I went to a website called WikiFX. The website WikiFX, guys, gives us the information about the regulatory of the broker. By then I mean, is the broker regulated, and who regulated broker, where was it registered, and all the informations of those broker. This website really gives you all those details. So what I'm gonna do here, I've just searched the name of the broker here, the Kaje or what Cage Forex or something like that, as long as I don't even know how to pronounce it. And then what popped up is the information here is a little bit odd, with a rating of 2.9 on the first, and also the rating here is 1.4, which is really small and very little compared to other brokers here. As you can see, other brokers here, they've scored 7.5, 7.9 and 8 and so on. So as you can see here, the broker is not labeled a scam. It's not labeled a scam or whatever, but it's not regulated. Regulated information is not available. If it's regulated, they didn't put the information right out there for the public. So if the broker was a scam, then I could tell you straight that you shouldn't register here. But the broker seems to be not regulated, and there's no information about fraudulent and so on. As you can see, other brokers, if they are a scam, they can be labeled as scam brokers here, suspicious clone, and so on. So make a better choice, guys. So I cannot choose for you. For me, I'm just gonna give you the information about all the no deposit bonus and the broker information available on the website right now. So thank you guys for watching one of my video. Just help me thumb this video up in appreciation, and also maybe comment below, tell me what you feel, tell me whatever you wanna say, and ask me to review any type of broker that you want, guys. And see you again on the next video.